Punto pong ito ay makakasama naman natin ang head ng Philippine Information Agency, si Mr. Okinyena. Sir, good morning po.
Good morning.
Sir, isa po kayo sa awardee po ngayong araw na ito. So ano po yung pakiramdam, sir?
Siyempre natutuwa kami and we feel honored on behalf of all the PIA family. Ito naman hindi lang siya most welcome pero siyempre this is also in honor and recognition of all the hard work that everybody is doing in PIA.
Sir, how many people do we have, sir, at the PIA?
385, more or less dyan banda.
Sir, distributed sila around the Philippines?
Yes, we have 72 provincial offices and of course we have the regional offices also.
Sir, ito sir, quality award na to, sir. Paano po nito itutulak pa ang inyong organisasyon para sa excellence?
Well, the mandate of PIA is to provide the right information to the Filipino people, so that they will be well informed and empowered. So having this award really malaking bagay siya kasi siyempre when you provide information, it's important that excellence is always there. It is important that the organization will be always in pursuit of that kasi naniniwala kami hindi pwede ang pwede na. So when we are tasked to empower people through information, so this award really is in recognition of that core value of PIA.
Sir, kasama na rin po siguro dito yung naging kontribusyon nyo, sir, dun sa operasyon noong Bagyong Yolanda. Sir, pwede bang ikwento nyo sa amin kung paano po kumilos sa mga taga-PIA noong panahon yon?
Well, prior to the typhoon's arrival and landfall, meron naman tayong weather watch ang PIA. Marami tayong text blast nasa website natin, nasa social media natin sa PIA. And of course, after was also very crucial so that the people will be informed saan sila pupunta, anong gagawa, anong gagawin, sino nag-ooperate sa area, and what are the services that government is offering. And then meron din tayong ginawa na yung hanap ng kanilang mga mahal sa buhay, yung paglista kung saan na sila. So tumulong din yung PIA doon sa paghahanap ng mga mahal nila sa buhay.
Sir, I remember, sir, nag-set up ang government ng media center, sir, doon noon. Yeah. So, sir, paano po ang naging proseso noon? Ano po yung directive nyo sa mga taga-PIA noon?
Tayo doon sa stadium sa Tacloban, convergence ito, and under the leadership kasi of Secretary Sunny Coloma, nagbigay siya ng utos na yung PTV, yung Radyo ng Bayan, yung PIA, PNA, lahat po under kay Secretary Coloma. We all converged in the stadium dun sa Tacloban, and then the other regions also, they did the same, para isang push, and we were there to assist in the communication, dissemination of the Task Force Yolanda na involved dun sa relief, sa reconstruction, dun sa rescue, dun sa retrieval, And alam naman natin pagdating sa mga kalamidad na ganito, sa mga crisis, yung information gap is very important na matugunan natin yon. So PI, the government media was really there at the forefront.
Sir, what can, sir, we expect, sir, from your agency pagkatapos po na pagkalooban kayo nito?
Okay. This is, I think, the most challenging na part, Kasi nakuha nga natin yung award sa level ng level. So going to the next level is more challenging dahil ngayon i-implement mo na yun. Kumbaga, you have to earn the right for winning. Kaya we're excited because at the end of the day, ang magbe-benefit nito, yung taong bayan. At the end of the day, ang magbe-benefit nito, yung consumer ng information na binibigay ng PIA, which is the Filipino people.
Sir, is this, sir, a first award for your agency? Or marami na rin kayong naipong award?
Well, this is the first award for this year, pero sa PQA, First time nag-apply, first time nanalo, First time nakuha yung award, Kaya tuwang-tuwa din talaga. And in behalf of the PIA family, I'm really, really proud, sa achievement na to.
Sir, you're under, sir, the PCOO, di po ba? Magkakapatid po tayo sa PTV. So, sir, sa tingin niyo po, tulad po namin, ang PTV, sir, how can we, sir, develop, sir, katulad sa nakuha niyong achievement?
Of course, mag-apply tayo, but at the same time, what is important is this, na lahat tayo will have to embrace this pursuit for excellence. tayo will have to embrace yung ating desire for quality. And then, titignan naman lahat ng proseso. And I'm sure lahat na member ng PCOO family also can and deserve this award. No?
Sir, elaboration na lang, sir. Ano po yung may expect namin na programs this year from PIA?
Well, sa PIA, we want to deepen the reach, no, and widen the reach of PIA. Pag-disseminate yan ng information. At the same time, we want to go into engaging at the barangay level information officers, no, para lumawak nga ang sinasabi natin. And of course, gusto nating i-engage as many people in dialogues, no, through the PIA Kapihan and all of those. And what is also note highlighting is itong direction ng ating mahal na Secretary Coloma, itong OPSEN natin, no? Media Center, kung saan lahat ng under ng PCOO will have a convergence through the media operation natin na sabay-sabay at nagtutulungan tayo sa pag-deliver ng information and news sa mga tao like PTV, PIA, PNA, no? Ang radyo ng bayan. Kaya that is very exciting for PCOO this year. Kasi naumpisa na yan last year, pero dito talaga sa 2014 yung mas push pa talaga natin.
Sir, yung ba, sir, yung dun sa ground floor, sir, ng PIA?
Yes.
Na nakita kong officer?
May office tayo sa ground floor, tapos magtatayo tayo ng operation sa Baguio, no? Itong mga certain areas, may certain targets tayo na tatayuan kasi gusto natin na ma-serve talaga at ma-deliver yung mensahe natin. Siguro dialect-based or gano'n, no? Sa Ilocano and then sa ARMM, we will have one sa Davao. In fact, next week we're going to Davao. We'll have one in Cebu as well, no? So, and in Bicol.
Sir, you mentioned, sir, yung ARMM, sir. Paano po natin gagawin yung programa, sir? Since ngayon po, marami nang nangyayari para sa ARMM.
Well, gusto nating i-support yung magandang nangyayari sa ARMM, no? And information is, we know information vital in all of this. Isusupport natin by informing the people of the exciting things that is happening already at ARMM. Lahat ng mga intended program, lahat ng mga gustong gawin ng ating mahal na Pangulo, papasok din yung government media nyo, yung PIA, PCOO, lahat yan, para tugunan po yung pangangailangan natin para walang information gap, no? Para walang gap doon. Kaya susupport tayo doon sa ARMM under Governor Mujib.
Sir, kailan po kayo na-inform na recipient kayo sa award na to, sir? Earlier ba, sir, than today?
Yes, I think last month parang nasabihan na yata kami na gano'n, no, na nakuha namin yung award. So it was a matter of scheduling this day kung kailan po yung talagang awarding, no. Pero mahaba-habang proseso din, hindi naman to nalaman kagad namin kasi last year pa to natapos yung application, pag-assess, pag-evaluate. Ayan. So this year lang na nalaman natin na nakuha.
Well, sir, we hope to expect more from your agency. Marami pong salamat at congratulations.
Thank you.
Mga kaibigan, si Yusek Jose Marie Oquiniena, ang Director General ng Philippine Information Agency.